video. In this video, I'm demonstrating another app called CANARY. It's an automotive cybersecurity awareness console. The purpose of this app is to help users understand how suspicious vehicle diagnostic activity can be identified through an interactive animated mobile experience. On the first screen, the user sees multiple recorded diagnostic sessions. Each session has a severity level, and the waveform preview gives a quick visual summary of activity. When I open a session, the app takes me to the detailed screen. Here, the timeline is animated and fully interactive. I can drag across it to scrub through the diagnostic traffic and watch the live frame panel update in real time, which I'm going to demonstrate here. Click on compromise session, and I'm going to drag through the timeline, or I should say scrub through. And I'm going to stop on the compromise session. When the app reaches an anomaly, the interface highlights it visually so the user can immediately understand that something suspicious happened. I could then inspect the frame in more detail. This model uses animation as well, and it lets the user tap individual bytes to understand their meaning, which I'm going to do here. Before I do that, in this live frame, we have a security access request seed at level 1. The seed response, which is 4 bytes, and we're gonna go into that frame by clicking inspect frame. What we've seen here, we have the hex dump, and we can actually click through. And what we notice in here is that we have reused seed across the session, and we can see that through clicking on A4, F2, 9C, 10. Then we can go deeper, look at the report by clicking open report. Once we open report, we see forensic summary. In this forensic summary, the finding is 2 successive security access requests and ECU, return identical 4-byte seeds, a replay of the prior key response, succeeded, granting level 1 access without a refresh challenge. And then when we look at the impact and recommendation, we see rotate seed generation on ECU, audit, seeding at boot, enforce seed, and add rate limit on request seed. Finally, I can open the forensic report screen, which explains the finding, the evidence, and the mitigation recommendation, which I just demonstrated. What makes this app different is that the animation support the actual purpose of the app. They help the user investigate and understand automotive cybersecurity events rather than just decorating the interface. And I'm going to just scroll through a second one. This one is flagged. Can scrub through the timeline. We see another anomaly that we inspect. You can click through. Close that. Then we can open up a report and see what the report says. unexpected write bit by identifier outside programming session, a write to did F190 was attempted in default session. ECU correctly rejected the NRC, it rejected it with NRC 7F, but the request pattern suggests reconnaissance. Then recommendation, increase logging on did for 190, for F190, sorry about that. Access attempts correlates with upstream gateway auth events. And with that said, thank you for watching.